To ensure your Ergorapido vacuum is giving you the most efficient and effective clean, we've compiled some helpful troubleshooting questions. Is your vacuum charging properly? There are a few simple ways to check that your vacuum is properly charging. When placed correctly on the charger, you will see LED lights flash on the base of the vacuum. Additionally, remember to charge your vacuum a full 24 hours prior to first use. For a full charge, charge vacuum for 4 hours. How do I clean the filter? To remove the filter, first pull out and empty the dustbin collector. Then, open the filter holder and remove the filter. Rinse the filter thoroughly in cool water and air dry completely for 24 hours. Once the filter is dry, you can reinsert. Complete replacement of your filter is recommended every 6 months or as needed to ensure you achieve an effortless clean. How do I clean the Brushroll? Your vacuum comes with the patented Brushroll clean feature. To use, make sure your vacuum is powered on, then step on the button on the back right corner of your vacuum for at least 3 seconds. This feature uses 2 blades to cut hair and fibers around the brush. Debris is then sucked up into the vacuum for easy removal. How do I switch power speeds? To switch modes and speeds, make sure your vacuum is turned on, then simply press the power button. How do I use the 2-in-1 tool? The 2-in-1 tool is located inside the base of the charging stand. To use, pull it out and attach it to the front of the handheld unit. This tool can be used as a brush, or you can remove the brush to use as a crevice nozzle. What do I do if the Brushroll stops spinning? Number 1. Turn off the power. Number 2. Remove the Brushroll from the nozzle. Turn the nozzle so the brush is visible. Unlock the Brushroll clip. On the side of the nozzle, turn the locking mechanism to unlock. Remove the brush from the nozzle. Next, remove any obstructed objects from the Brushroll. After cleaning, reinsert the brush into the nozzle and turn the locking mechanism to lock the brush in place. Allow 5 minutes for the motor to cool before powering back on. What if the Brushroll clean feature isn't working? Number 1. Ensure your Ergorapido is fully charged. Number 2. Ensure you are pressing firmly on the pedal for at least 3 seconds while the unit is on. Number 3. Check if there are any large carpet fibers, heavy threads, or wires in the Brushroll. The self-cleaning feature will not be able to remove these obstructions. For better living. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit www.electrolux.com.